Hey guys, so yesterday I went to Walmart and picked up 12 days of FISHMAS. And you're watching Fishing and Outdoors. Alright guys, let's get into this box. So, I've cut the plastic off of it, as you can see. So, number one. That looks really good. So, let's move on to number two. Number two is a little smaller. Number two is hard. I've never used these hooks, but are they supposed to come like that? Because I really don't know. So, if you guys want to let me know, type down in the comments, because I have no clue. So, alright, number three. Box is starting to fall apart. Okay, let me use my my little makeshift I actually have a few of these, as you can tell in the my first mystery tackle box. I got a few of these in there, so we will put those over to the side. All right, so after three is four. Ooh, a sticker. A really cool sticker. Again, made by Ketchco. Looks really cool too. So we will put that off to the side too. Alright, after four is five. I'm actually really excited about five because look how big five is. That's really exciting. Alright. Oh my goodness. With a little bit of the blue and the yellow and the white, that'll work for muddy water too. Alright, after 5, 6, another sticker. If I can even get, Alrighty, we got another sticker made by Ketchco. Alright, now 7? Yeah, 7. Yeah, 7. Whoops. Oh, I see something good. These are the most brightest lures I have ever seen. Like, why is that so bright? So, after that comes 8. Oh, look at that. We got some hooks to go with this, which would actually be a really good matchup. So, after that, we go to 9. Oh, this is what I was wanting. I'm gonna keep it in the plastic. But look at that. That is awesome. So, after 9, 10. 10's also really big too. Alright, let's go ahead and open up 10. A white and chartreuse spinnerbait. This is my favorite type of spinnerbait. Made by sent over from Carl's Bait and Tackle. Huh. Alright, so after that, after 10, 11, what is this? Oh. I don't know what it is, but it comes in a black bag. So, we're moving that over the side, and I'll open up all this stuff after we're done with after I'm done with doing the video. Alright, 11, 12. Oh. Oh, wow. A sticker and a little dollar, I'm guessing. Well, it doesn't look like a dollar, but yeah, a little thing, and it comes with a little oh, it comes with whatever, all the names and all the brands that were in the box. That's nice. So, and it comes with this really cool sticker, too. So, I'm gonna move this stuff over to the side, and so, that was the FISHMAS tackle box. Number, oh, it doesn't have a number. Yeah, it doesn't have a number, huh? So, yep. Alright guys, that was with fishing and outdoors. I will see you later. Bye!